Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python module which will actually return you the movie information. Any sort of movie in the world, you can input that movie name and then it will return you the information inside a JSON file, such as the title of the movie, the plot, director, rating, cast, the year of release, everything. It will return it inside a JSON file. So this is actually the Python script here. I input the movie name right here. You can see Jurassic Park, and let me run this script here. So as soon as I run this, you will see it will create this JSON file on the left hand side. It will take some 5 to 8 seconds and then it will create this JSON file. So movie info has been saved. So you will see it has created this JSON file. If I try to open this, you will see it contains the title of the movie, then the year of release, and then it's a what is the type of the movie, action, adventure, like this. Who is the director? You will see the rating. What is the plot here? You get the description of the movie, and then the cast here, which who are the actors who performed in this movie. Everything you get, guys, you will see. And for this we are using the Internet Movie Database API, which is commonly known as IMDb API. And as you can see, we are not passing any API key, because this module is actually scraping this Internet Movie Database website and getting the required information. For this you don't need the API key. So I will show you this Python module. Let me try this with a different movie. So I call this as any other movie you can so I just put this movie name. Again I run this. So once again it will search or scrape the website with this movie name and it will return the data. You will see the title here, the year of release. So it works with all the languages, all the countries of movies. As you can see, everything has been scraped. So in this easy way, let me show you the website. It's very popular website, IMDb. If you search on Google, this is the most popular website regarding movies. So they do offer their API, but that requires some subscription fees as well. So I am just telling you the free way. So there is a Python module that you can use. The module name is IMDb. So just search IM. So this is the module. If you search it, I think this, yeah, so this is actually the module here. So you simply install this. So now let me show you the actual script here. So now just create a simple app.py file. Let me delete this. So first of all, what we need to do, we just need to import this package IMDb. From this we need to import this, and then we also need the JSON module as well. And then we construct a new instance of this, and then we search for the movie. We give the title of the movie, which movie you are talking about, and then it will search this IA, and it contains this function which is search movie. So you can see it has all those methods. You can even search a character, company, episode as well. But there is a function for searching the movie, and you need to pass the movie title. After that, if the movie exists, then we will get the information, which is get underscore movie. So you can see all these functions are there. Get box office movies, all these functions are there. So it's a great module. So now we can get the movie, the first movie. and then the movie ID. First of all, we need to find out the movie ID. After that, using this, we can extract all this information inside a JSON object. So here we can extract all this information. First of all, the title, then the year of release, and then the rating, and then the director. So you can see if a movie has multiple directors, then it will loop through and then return. Next thing we can get is the plot, like this. So this is, I think, plot outline, and then we also have the cast. To get the cast here, we simply say actor, so we get the top 10 members of the movie in this way. So the full script I have given in the description of this video. So if you need the full script, you can go to the description link. After getting this, we simply save this data inside a JSON file. So after we get this data, we simply save this information. Simply use the open function and create this movie.json file and dump this data. After that, we can write a simple print line. Your data has been saved. So this is the actual script. If I execute once again, you will see it will scrape all this information of the movie and save it to a JSON file. And you can see that you can see everything has been scraped. So this is actually the thing, guys. You can directly use it. This is a free module which communicates with the Internet Movie Database API. I think I forgetting the name here of the module. Like, just wait, I got this from ChatGPT. Just wait, let me show you the module. I was chatting with this. Just wait, let me search for the actual library. I think I was there inside here where IMDb. Yeah, so simply type here IMDb. This is the page you will get. So let me just submit this to ChatGPT and they will tell me the module name for this. I forgot this. Let me tell you the exact. Yeah, so this is actually the module here, pip install. Yeah, so exactly search for this module, IMDb py. So this is actually the module here. So so this is the actual module. Simply install this by executing this command, pip install IMDb py. So this is the exact module. So it is not a very popular module, but still it works. So I basically tried this and it works every time. Whenever you put any movie name, it will return all this information. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.